Hi guys, my name is Ritika and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is my very first vlog on this channel. I also have a dance channel. Do subscribe to that channel. I'll mention the link in the description box below. So as we all know that summers are here and quarantine ongoing, I hope that you all are safe at your home and taking all the necessary precautions. So this is the best time to pamper our skin as we all are free at our home. So in today's video, we are gonna do a DIY summer skincare mask. So let's start.
So we'll start making the face pack. First, we'll add some besan, 3 to 4 teaspoon of besan. Then we'll add a pinch of turmeric powder. Then we'll gradually add milk. Three to 4 tablespoons of milk. We'll mix it well with a whisker, or you can use a spoon to mix it. We'll add some more milk to it. So we need a perfect consistency, not too thick and not too watery. We'll mix it well. So the face pack is ready to apply it on our face.
So I've cleaned my face with plain water and now I'll apply the pack on my face. So I'm using this brush to apply the pack. So I'll apply it all over my face. Just evenly apply it all over your face. Besan is really good for your skin. It helps in removing your tan. It also treats your acne marks, as well as it also helps in removing some fine facial hair as well. Turmeric also contains antioxidants which helps in removing your tan, as well as it reduces your dark circles and it gives you an instant brightened skin. And milk also contains vitamin B which helps in exfoliating your skin and hydrates it. So we'll wait for it to dry. I'm not able to speak. Okay. Once it's dry, wash off your face with clean water. You'll instantly see a difference in your skin. You'll feel more hydrated and you'll see that your skin has instantly brightened up. Use this hack twice a week and very soon you'll see a difference in your skin. So that's all for today from my side. Stay tuned. I'll be back with a new video. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Do try this hack at home and let me know in the comment box below, and subscribe to our channel. Stay home, stay safe, and keep sanitizing. Bye.